In this video in the 2018 Gift Ideas series, we're going to take a look at 10 outdoor and tactically oriented gifts for under $30. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews and sometimes gift ideas related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, as I said, I'm trying to keep this to 10 gift ideas per video this year. This is about the 4th or 5th year we've done this. So if you don't see something this year, just check back in the previous videos. I've worked really hard to not duplicate anything. So hundreds of gift ideas, literally. And this year also, I'm putting a page on the website for each one of these videos at survivalonpurpose.com. There'll be a link right up there, by the way. So if you see something you like, you don't want to scroll back and forth through videos trying to find it, you can just go to the website. Hopefully that'll help you. Also, there'll be links in the description and the website, as always, to where you can go purchase these gift ideas if you choose to do so. And hopefully, usually, probably, I'll get a commission, hopefully. And I appreciate it, and Santa Claus appreciates it. So, without any further ado, I've tried to keep it to 10 so it won't take too long, but I do tend to ramble, as you obviously can tell. So let's get started. The first gift idea is maybe a little unusual for a gift, but if anybody on your list complains about their feet hurting, you will be their favorite Santa Claus if you give them some of these Heal That Pain gel seats or Heal That Pain inserts. They have several different versions of this stuff. I did a video on this a while back. If your feet are hurting, you can't camp, hike, or do anything hardly. It really is. It's totally debilitating. These things literally changed my life. They absolutely, since I started wearing these, my feet quit hurting. And that was at the point where it was really, really painful throughout the day. So that may sound like a weird gift, but if somebody on your list has got hurting feet, they're going to love you if you give them these, I promise you. And they're anywhere from 22, 23 bucks up, depending on the different, they have several different versions. But I highly, highly recommend them. I'm wearing them right now. So next on the list for under $30 is a pretty cool knife. This is probably one of the strongest folding knives that for at least at this price range, that I've ever used. And it's a cold steel pocket Bushman or folding Bushman knife. Folding bush knife, and it just locks open like this. It's just a piece of folded, I think that's stainless. It's got a really secure lock on it. I have baton with this. I've used this camping. It's a stainless steel, and it's got a really kind of weird little lock on it. You got to kind of pull it back with 2 fingers like that and close it. I usually pull the lanyard because it hurts my finger, but it works. Anyway, pretty cool little solid knife, very thin, lightweight. $23.86 on Amazon. Pretty cool gift there. Next on the list is something, this should have been in the lower price list, but I put it in at the regular price, is the TotalPac kind of this thing opens up into a nice backpack with pockets, several pockets, and just a really nice usable backpack. I did a review on this thing not too long ago, and so I'm not going to open it up and try to do that here. You can check that out, but right at the time of this video, there's like a 50% coupon. I'll put that in the description below. I don't know how long it's going to last. It was kind of like their introductory special. They may take that off for Christmas because they've had some really good sales on this. But it's a pretty cool backpack, and even at the $24.99 price, I think that's a good value compared to some other stuff I've seen on the market. But that's the TotalPac stowaway backpack. Pretty cool gift there. Next is something I think is especially cool. And if you do much shooting, or maybe you spend a lot of time in a noisy environment, you know it's important to protect your hearing. The folks at Decibullz have got these custom molded earplugs that you can get. And these things are like NRR 31. And they basically, they're kind of like the mouthpieces that you used to use, maybe some people use in sports. You just boil them, get them hot, and you kind of form them to your ears, and they really form well. And I used a set of these last year at SHOT Show Range Day, all day long. They're comfortable, and they absolutely work. So pretty cool there, and they are $25.99, so you can get some custom earplugs there. Next on the list is a really cool water bottle. It's the Lunatec Aquabot water bottle. I've reviewed this also, and basically it's like a little small garden sprayer. You fill it up with water and you pump it up. It allows you to spray water. You might think, well, that's just for playing around, but really no. What the best use I found for this was, And you can mist it and keep cool. You can use it for a water bottle, but this thing puts out a really strong jet. You can clean off your boots and stuff. You can clean stuff that you might not be able to do in the woods with just pouring water out. I mean, it'll clean the gunk out from between the lugs on your boots, so it'll clean a lot of other stuff too. Pretty cool there. I just think it's a great idea, and it's a you know, it works on any regular Nalgene bottle. And it comes with an Nalgene bottle, and the price is $29. Pretty cool there. Lunatec Aquabot. Next is another item we reviewed, and if you spend much time in a hammock, you know how important it is to make sure the bugs don't bite you. And this is the PYS Hammock Net, and it compares very favorably, I think, with much higher priced hammock nets. It's big, it's plenty of roomy, comes with everything you need to hang it up over your hammock, and just a little guy line to hang it up. Really very useful. The price on this is $29.99. Pretty cool there. Next on the list is something from my friend John at Hawg Holsters. I think it's important to carry extra magazines if you carry a semi-automatic pistol, and why wouldn't you? This is his magazine pocket carrier. So some people carry them in their pocket. Sometimes I carry them in my pocket or on my belt, just depends. But this happens to be for a Glock 43, but he makes them for different calibers. And he's got this little notch on here, so when you pull it out of your pocket, you can catch that on there, and the magazine comes out of the holder. And these are several different price ranges depending upon the finish. He's got several different finishes and materials, anywhere from 20 to 25 bucks. So very handy item there for somebody who wants to carry an extra magazine concealed carry. So pretty cool there. Next on the list is from another friend of mine, Malcolm, at The Hidden Woodsman, and it's this survival kit pouch. And no, it won't come all packed up and full like this, and I don't even think it comes with this patch on it, but it's got a patch field here, got a zipper pocket here, and then you open this thing up, and it has got, man, a lot. And I put these extra. It comes with these on it, so I put these fire tab things on here, but it's highly customizable. But you can see I've got this thing packed in pretty good. It's got several pockets inside and loops, and like everything that Malcolm makes, it is 100% made in the USA, down to the thread that he uses. Sewn in the USA by a good local USA company, kind of a family-owned business. So that's this survival kit bag, and it's $29.99 on Amazon right now. Next, we have another item from my friend John at Hawg Holsters, and it's the PTAP, which is a pistol trigger action protector, something like that. But you can see, by the way, we're clear here. I don't want to, no mag, no round. And what this is a couple of different uses. It's just snaps over the trigger guard, and you don't have to get blue, and it comes in a lot of different finishes again. Price of this thing's about 20-25 bucks. Comes with a cord on it. What John said, his idea was you can fasten this, if you keep a pistol on your nightstand or whatever, you can fasten this to your drawer or something. So if you reach it at night and grab it, or dark or whatever, then you don't have to worry about accidentally hitting your finger on the trigger. You can pull it when it comes free. Now your pistol is able to be engaged and used properly, but you're not fumbling around on the nightstand looking for it and possibly activate the trigger. I think it's a very good. I also think it's useful for if you pocket carry, or for maybe you carry in a bag or whatever and you don't have a holster. There's a lot of uses for this, but basically it's to keep you from shooting when you don't want to shoot. These are custom fit for whatever gun. So 20-25 bucks on those, depending upon the finish. And finally, the last item under $30 is from a good Georgia company called Exotac, and it's the what do they call this thing? The FireROD. And I just want to get a little close up on this. It's a FireROD, and this happens to be the Havilah's Bush Tools version. I don't know where I got this one. I think they sent it to me, but it's got a replaceable FireROD on it, so that screws out and replaces. And then on the end of it, there's one little watertight container that's just big enough for like one of these little tinder tab things, and so you can have your tinder and your FireROD out there. And it's machined aluminum. It's got an O-ring there. Very well made. Very nice. This thing can last you literally your entire life. And again, if the rod gets used up, they sell replacement rods that screw right in. The price on this is between $22 to $25, just depending upon the I guess the different colors on Amazon. So pretty cool there. And that wraps up the 10 gift ideas for under $30. And Again, there'll be links to all the stuff in the description and on the website. And if you buy through those links, hopefully, potentially, probably, I'll get a little bit of a commission through most of them, and certainly support some good companies. And hopefully this has been helpful to you. As always, thanks for doing your online shopping through the Survival on Purpose links. I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.